Alrighty then, governors. I'm at Domino's, and this place is called Caramundi, I think. And I've gone and got the Hot Pockets. Now, I've seen two different reviewers that are both reliable, and they had different reviews. You had Greg's Kitchen, and then you had two Aussie. And I don't remember which one's which, but one of them had a really oily one that didn't have very much meat in their pocket, and they didn't like it. Or they still sort of liked it, but you know. Well, but the other person had one that was really nice pastry and had lots of meat in it and thought it was the greatest thing ever and the best value and whatever. So I have to see what mine is. Or do you want to? Oh yeah, okay, thanks. So. Okay, so this one's ham and cheese pocket. Now, one of the differences too is I think in the videos they didn't have theirs labelled, so they didn't know which one they had until they opened it. So, because one of the reviews, there were two guys sitting in a car, and then they had to take a bite to find out which one they had gotten Lucky Dip style. But okay, now the other one of the reviewers, it came out easy like this, but with the other reviewer, it was all stuck, and they had to even pick it all out. So this is like I don't know whether you call it. It's dry. It's not greasy and oily. This came out easy. What's this one? Ham and
cheese. I think.
Cheese. Okay, I can see ham in there.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh yeah, it's good.
Cool.
That's really good.
Pastry?
Yeah, pastry's good. Everything about it was sort of nice. Yeah, there's ham in there. It's a real sort of smoky sort of ham. It's got regular sort of pizza sauce in there. It's really cool. All right.
Try the peppo.
Yep. See the unraveling. Yeah, see, look. Beautiful. So hot. Okay, let's open it. Yep, loaded with pepperoni. Because one of the guys, they opened up, they had one round bit of pepperoni in the whole thing. But I can see, look, there's pepperoni through it. I could even roll back. There's pepperoni under there, I'd say. Okay. Oh, that's better than the ham one for me. Do you want me to film you trying yours or not really?
Oh, no, it's all right.
All right. Oh, well. Yeah, they're good. Good value, nice, fun, not greasy. Oh, yeah, I'm loving this pepperoni one, actually. I'm really loving this sandwich.
What would you give it out of 10?
10. It's a 10.
You heard it here first. Over and out.